Fulton offer 5 main training courses. Boiler operator training, which is City and Guilds accredited, which is all about day-to-day operation of your boiler. The second one is practical training. That one is mainly focused on boiler house training in the boiler, looking at the actual operations for a full day. Third course is fault finding. That is more about identifying simple or less complicated faults on the boiler. Fourth course is steam and condensate. That then moves away from the boiler into the immediate steam and condensate system, which supply the process and return condensate to the boiler. And then the final course is water treatment. That's all about trying to educate and show operators the importance of water and how to control it with regard to your steam boiler.